The US doesn't offer a single visa just for entrepreneurs. Instead, there's a set of pathways, each with its own rules, timelines, and requirements. Let's explore the most common options. One of the most popular visas is the E-2 Treaty Investor Visa. If your country has a commerce treaty with the US, and you're willing to make a substantial investment, usually over $100,000, you can qualify. You must own at least 50% of your business and actively manage it. The E-2 is renewable indefinitely, but it doesn't lead directly to a green card. Still, for many entrepreneurs, it's a great way to start operations and build a life in the US. If you already own a business abroad and want to open a US office, the L-1 visa might be your best fit. The L-1A allows you to transfer as an executive or manager. There's no set investment amount, and it can lead to a green card through the EB-1C category. To qualify, you must have worked for your foreign business for at least 1 year in the last 3 and maintain a qualifying relationship between your home business and your US branch. Another lesser-known option is the International Entrepreneur Rule. It's not a visa, but it does allow startup founders to live and work in the US for up to 5 years. To qualify, your company must have raised at least $250,000 from US investors, or received $100,000 in US government grants. It's ideal for early-stage founders who don't qualify for other visa types, though it doesn't lead directly to permanent residency. Then there's the EB-2 National Interest Waiver. If your work has national significance, like solving a major health issue or advancing clean technology, this could be your green card route. You don't need a job offer or an employer. But you do need to prove that your work benefits the US, that you're well positioned to carry it forward, and that waiving the standard job offer requirement is in the national interest. It takes longer to process, but it's powerful for solo founders and innovators. For entrepreneurs with more capital, the EB-5 Immigrant Investor Visa offers a direct path to permanent residency. You'll need to invest at least $800,000 in a high unemployment or rural area, or $1,050,000 elsewhere. Your investment must create at least 10 full-time jobs for US workers. While it's the most expensive route, it's also one of the most straightforward ways to move your family and business to the US long-term. Still not sure which visa is best? Think about your resources, your timeline, and your business stage. If you're early stage and well-funded, the International Entrepreneur Rule may work. If you're expanding an existing company, the L-1 makes sense. If you're mission-driven and want permanent residency, EB-2NIW is a strong option. And if you're ready to invest large capital, EB-5 could be the best fit. Once you choose a path, the most important step is preparing a strong application. A detailed business plan is essential. Include your market strategy, projected financials, hiring plans, and proof of traction. Be ready to submit clean, organized documentation showing the source of your funds, legal business formation, and supporting letters if required. Work with an immigration attorney who understands startups, not just immigration law. Finally, remember that immigration is rarely a straight line. Many founders begin on one visa and switch later. Start with what gets you in the door, then build toward your long-term goal. In the end, your success will depend on your clarity, your planning, and your persistence. U.S. immigration rewards those who are well prepared and committed to making a positive impact. If you have the vision, the drive, and the grit, the U.S. has a path for you. Start building your future today.